another video, the FTP or File Transfer Protocol. I just need to type in our name. Okay, now for the FTP servers. So objectives of this activity is, part 1 is configure FTP services on servers, part 2 is upload a file to the FTP server, and then part 3 is download the file from the FTP server. So background, in this activity you will configure FTP services. So you will then use the FTP services to transfer files between clients and server. Packet tracer only simulates the process for configuring these services. So FTP server and client software packages each have their own unique installation and configuration instructions. So the first time you attempt to connect to the web server, Okay, so the first time you attempt to connect to a web address, so packet tracer takes several seconds to simulate the DNS name resolution process. Okay. So part 1 is configure FTP services on servers. Step 1 is configure the FTP service on central server. Okay, we will use again the central server. Click on end user setup, create the following user accounts, click add and to add the account. Okay. We'll be creating account for administrator and for anonymous user. So just to remove this. Okay, so our username is anonymous. So password is anonymous also. So limited to read and list. Okay. And then just add. Next is administrator. The password is Cisco. Need to hold permission on this. So click the default Cisco user. Okay, already removed it. And step 2 is repeat step 1 on branch server. FTP, so on anonymous. So read and list. Okay. Now for administrator, Cisco, and all the privileges. Okay. Next one is, okay, already configured. So part 2 is upload the file to the FTP server. So step 1 is transfer the readme text file from the home laptop to central server. So as network administrator, you must place a notice on the FTP servers. So the document has been created on the home laptop and must be uploaded to the FTP server. So click home laptop, text editor. Home laptop, text editor. Okay, we have the home laptop here. So do not change the file because it's in the desktop tab. Okay. Open command prompt to perform the following steps. Okay. So type FTP central server. Okay, we're using the domain name central server ptk. Okay, trying to connect. So the server prompts for a username and password. Use the credentials for administrator account. Okay, list of the contents. I will be using .dir, the file directory, etc. Okay. So transfer the readme text file at FTP prompt. Type put readme.txt. Okay, we will be uploading the file to the central server. So administrator, password is Cisco. Then you can see from the dir, these are the list of directory from the central server. Then transfer. Okay, we will be uploading our text file. So readme.txt. Okay, so we already transferred. Let's just check in. Okay, you can see we now have the readme.txt on our directory. So by typing quit, we can go back to the command prompt. Now transfer the readme text file from the home laptop to run server. So repeat once C to transfer readme file. Okay. FTP should be branch server. Okay. So also administrator. This is Cisco. Okay. So typing dir. And then we need to put our readme file. So they have the readme, and then quit. Okay. So download the file from the FTP server. So transfer readme.txt from central server to PC2. Let's see. I have the PC2 here. Now FTP. Okay, we need to access the FTP server from the command prompt. So use the credentials for the anonymous account. Let's see. But we can also FTP central server pt.pta. You can also use the administrator here if you are wondering. Okay. But for now we will be using the central server anonymous. Password is anonymous also. Okay, now typing the dir, the list. We can see that on the FTP server. So our file readme.txt is uploaded. Now so download the readme by typing get readme.txt. Okay, so for uploading we use the put keyword, but for downloading we have the get. Okay, verify it does not have to. So now get readme.txt. Okay, we already downloaded it, but it's on the So to verify that we can upload sample file file.txt. Okay, so no such. So permission denied. Okay. So verify the transfer of file to PC2 by typing dir. Okay, we need to first quit on this and then dir. you can see that our the readme text was uploaded to our directory. So in the desktop tab, open the text editor and then readme text to file. Okay. Just need to verify. Open. Okay, the readme text. Okay. Now transfer the readme text from branch server to the smartphone. Okay. So for smartphone, let's see. Smartphone. Okay. Command prompt. So FTP branch server.qt.pka anonymous so dir, we will be downloading the readme, so get readme the text. Okay, so to verify that we can quit dir sample file text. Okay, we already uploaded the readme text, so just for verification, anonymous put sample file text. Okay, so permission denied. So I think that's it for our activity FTP services.